Welcome, friends of the Greasy Shop Rag. Today we're going to take a look at a Poulan Pro PP338PT. It's a pole saw, consumer grade, 33cc. Customer complaint is that it doesn't run very well. Let's take a listen. So the customer was right. It doesn't run very well. We're going to take a look and see, go through our basic steps and check the fuel and check the cylinder, see what we got going on. Although there is one common problem on these, we're going to make sure that we don't overlook anything else that might be a contributing factor to the reason that it's not running right. So first things first, we always look in the fuel tank. And what do we find? Fuel. Fuel smelled good, looked good. The filter looks decent. We put the pressure gauge on and pump it up to no more than 10 pounds of pressure and see if it holds. If it holds pressure, then we know the carburetor is tight and the fuel line is tight with no cracks in it. If it doesn't hold pressure, then we have to go investigating and find out where our leak is. It was probably a pretty good deal at 33 cc's. Pretty decent power. I mean, a brand new Husky pole saw right now is 25 cc's, but it only comes with an 8-inch bar, and it's not extendable. It's a fixed length pole saw. If you had one of these at home, I suppose it'd be wonderful. If you were a pro, not so much. So what did we just discover? We found an air leak. That red rubber boot, these things crack. They form an air leak, and then you got a condition where the saw doesn't run right, or trimmer, or whatever this power head is turning. Luckily, the repair is really easy. The parts are still available, even though the trimmer head itself is discontinued. I mean, the carb doesn't even have to come off the two studs. But you can see the boot is torn. It's obviously sucking the air right there. There's a few other cracks in the boot on the other end. I'd say it was a good design, but crappy products were used to build it. There's a part number on our new handy dandy boot. Installation is the exact opposite of removal. Slide it on there, push it all together. Simple. Done. Next. So we'll bolt our carburetor back down, and then we're going to fire this thing up, see how it runs. And the last half of this video is going to be just adjusting the carburetor. No more air leak. We will have to adjust the carburetor here, and the last half of this video is just going to be me playing around with the settings. So stick around if you're interested in seeing that. Otherwise, that's all I have for you on the Poulan Pro. Oh, and by the way, if they got to write Pro on there, it's usually not Pro. The Poulan Pro PP 338 PT. Thanks for watching. Later.